In this video, we're going to look at an application of system of equations. This one says one number is 5 more than twice another number. The sum of the numbers is 38. Find the two numbers. Let's break this down sentence by sentence. One number, do we know what that number is? Not yet, so we're going to assign a variable to it. You can use any variable you want. I don't recommend using I, O, or S for a variety of reasons. Most commonly, students use X, and that's totally fine. So X is going to be our first number. All right, so our first unknown is going to be X, and that number is indicates equals, so we're going to say X equals, what does it equal? 5 more than twice another number. 5 more than means something plus 5. So we have something plus 5. What are we adding 5 to? Twice. That means 2 times twice another number. Do we know what this number is? No, we don't. That's our other unknown. Because it specifies another number, we are to assume that it is not the same value as the first number. Therefore, it must be called a different variable. Let's use y. So y is going to represent our second unknown. Okay, so twice, so it's going to be twice another number. That's going to be 2y. So the first sentence, one number is 5 more than twice another number, is going to be x equals 2y plus 5. If you tried this before I started talking and you put 5 plus 2y, that's totally fine. Addition is commutative, so the order technically doesn't matter. Same equation. Okay, the second sentence, the sum indicates addition. The sum of the two numbers, what two numbers? Oh, our unknowns. The sum of the numbers is 38. So now we have another sentence, x plus y is equal to 38. Now we do want to determine the value of the two numbers. Well, we have two variables and we have two equations, so this looks like a nice system of equations. The best method to use here, since we already have x by itself in one equation, let's use substitution. Anywhere I see an x down here, I'm going to replace it with 2y plus 5. So instead of x, I'm going to say 2y plus 5 plus y equals 38. So I took my x plus y equals 38 and I replaced x, I substituted 2y plus 5 in for x. So x plus y. Now from here I'm going to combine like terms and then isolate y. 2y plus y is 3y. I might also take away 5 from both sides since I need to move it anyway, so I'll just preemptively subtract 5 up here. And that would be 3y equals 33. To get y by itself, I will divide both sides by 3. And we end up getting y equals 11. We're not done yet. We know one of the two numbers is 11. We still need to figure out what the other number is. So we're going to substitute into either of the two equations. I'll do the top one since it already has x by itself. And we're going to say, I'll do it over here, x equals 2 times 11 plus 5. So that would be x equals 22 plus 5, which is 27. So I have y is equal to 11 and x is equal to 27. I like knowing that I'm right, so I'm just going to double check real quick. Does x plus y really add up to 38? Does 11 plus 27 add up to 38? It does. So I feel pretty good that those are the two unknowns.